Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install Xampp on Windows 11 PC. Xampp is an open source cross-platform local web development environment for developers. Xampp is included with Apache, PHP, MySQL, so you can easily use this software to start PHP development on any operating system or Windows operating system. So I will show you how to install this software on Windows 11 PC and start PHP development. So I open my browser and I search Xampp and hit enter. This is the official website of Xampp. So I enter this website. This is the latest version for Windows. Xampp for Windows 8.2.12 with PHP 8.2.12 version. So I click on download button. It will start downloading. So download is completed. I minimize my browser and double click on Xampp Windows setup file. Computer asks me permission to install this software. I click on yes. I click on yes button and click on next. It show me that which software will be installed along with Xampp. So I will choose all those. So I click on next and it is the folder location where Xampp will be installed. So I chose C drive and click on next, and this is the language choice option. So I select English language and click on next button. Click on next. So installation is starting. So installation is completed. I click on finished. After click on finish, it will be start control panel. So I click on finish button and then those services are run when I click on start. So I start Apache MySQL. So I click on start button. Apache started. So I start MySQL. So I click on start button. So MySQL also started. So now I open my browser and type localhost and hit enter. That means my Xampp server was started on Windows 11. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install Xampp on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.